Hey everyone, so in today's video, as you might have seen in my last video, that I got a new grandfather clock, and this is my new Ithaca Hall grandfather clock. So right off the bat, it's really tall, really tall. My eye level is to about right here to where I see it. This is where my eye level is, and that just goes to show how tall this thing is. Something like that. So yeah, this is a Ithaca grandfather clock. These clocks were made around the early 1900s. This one, I don't know when this one was made, but there is a date right there. I don't know if that means when this clock was made or something. I don't know, but yeah. I believe this clock is made out of cherry wood. Yeah, cherry wood, I believe. Although, unfortunately, it is missing its 3 top finials, but I will get replacements for those. So yeah. It has a really nice pendulum. Really long too. There's the pendulum bob. It did work when I got it. So that's a plus. And also the wood is very soft too and very shiny. So I'm pretty sure this was stained at some point. It has a really nice red face dial, although the dial is really worn out, but it's still visible to see the numbers and the red spandrels and the decorative pieces. Right there you can see the gong block and a little bit of the gong. Yeah, right there, just the bottom half of it. And there's a repeat cord right there. That little wire is a repeat cord. Yeah. I only paid $100. I only paid $100 for this clock, so that's a steal. There's the latch, although it is loose, but that can easily be fixed. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not gonna take the face off, so that's probably the best you're gonna get. Wait, hold on. Let me turn off my camera light. Okay, they should be better. That's probably the best look of the movement that you're gonna get. Yeah, you can see the gong right there. Yeah, that's probably the best movement. That's probably the best look at the movement you're gonna get, because I'm not gonna take the face off because it's a hassle to take it off, because yeah, kind of. But I will show a picture of the movement when I did take the face off right now. Okay, now enough of me talking. Now let's hear the chime on this thing, which I will demonstrate now. Yeah, that one's going off. Okay. Time for the half hour. Has a very nice gong sound to it, although I may consider changing out the gong just to see how it would sound with a different gong in it. So yeah, don't bombard me with comments about that. I just want to. Also, when this thing chimes, it vibrates the floor. Like, I'm not kidding. if you're standing close to it, it does vibrate the floor. That's how powerful this thing is, I guess. Okay. Now for the hour. And I will do it once more. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to get this in one shot. This thing is really huge. Yeah, around right there. That's good. Yeah, that just goes to show how tall this thing is. This thing is a little over 7 feet tall. Yes, it's a little over 7 feet tall. I can't believe it either. Very nice. It has very nice decorative pieces right here. Nice spandrels. I guess. Nice door frame. No, door handle. Sorry. And here's the base. Nice decorative piece right there. Right there. Those two down there. And this decorative piece right here. Yeah. Oh, if you're wondering where the Emperor is, if you're wondering where the Emperor is, I moved it over here. It still works fine, even though it's a little bit leaning, but it still works fine. Yeah. Anyways, that was the review of the Ithaca grandfather clock. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.